I'm going to teach you a little bit about our Super Skin Toner. So the two main ingredients in our toner is CoQ10 and witch hazel. CoQ10 is really great at restoring the natural pH balance of your skin, and witch hazel is going to help to remove any excess oil, dirt, debris that you may have missed from cleansing, and it's going to moisturize at the same time. So it's not going to strip your skin dry. It's going to moisturize and take away all the bad stuff. There's also 3 other ingredients in here that I genuinely love, and it's chamomile, cucumber extract, and blood orange extract, and they're awesome at reducing inflammation, helping with dry patches, puffiness. This really is a super toner full of so many good ingredients. When I use it is morning and night after I cleanse. So I get just like a little cotton pad, and I don't soak it. I just do just enough on the pad to coat my face, and I just rub it everywhere. And I feel like I say this in every video, but just don't forget places like right by your ear, under your chin, your jawline, hairline, anywhere that you might miss. And it's just going to really help all of your next skincare products that you're going to put on to really work. The crazy thing is that I just cleansed twice. I double cleansed right before this, and look what it still gets off. So toning for me is a must, and our toner is amazing.